Hi, today we've been invited from Emaar to come and see the construction progress of one of the most on-demand projects in downtown, and the project called Act 1, Act 2. So, today let me give you a quick brief about the project we are inside. We are now in Act 1, Tower 1, and this is the 52 floors. Right next to us is Act 2, Tower 2, and it's a 47 floor, facing Burj Khalifa and towards the fountain.
The construction is up to 70% completed and the handover is in June 2022. The payment plan is 60% during construction and 40% within 2 years after handover. For more information and booking, call us now. Thank you.